Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This is the website. The website name is Rushdoge, and this website pay you dogecoin to your Express crypto wallet or Faucetpay. Okay, if you like this website link available in description. And the payment proof is this in here. This is all the payment proof. The other people get their payments, and the registration is very easy. Just click register, put your email, username, password, and confirm password, and solve the captcha. Okay, I have already account. Just I click login. I log in my account to show you how you can earn from here. Okay, just I click login. Okay, invalid capture. I change the capture, solve media capture, and hamburger bun, and just click login. Wait few seconds to log in. Okay, this is the all page, and first of all active your account. This will be send you to your Gmail account. Okay, to you login from here. This is the activation code. This will be sent. Just click confirm activate. You will be activate your account. Okay, the first way to earn from here is manual faucet. Every cryptocurrency have manual. The manual faucet pay you every 1 minute, and this much claim per day. Okay, 3,000 claim per day. And after 3 claim, you can instantly withdraw your amount. I show you the withdrawal proof of this website. First, I show you how much is the minimum withdrawal from this website. Okay, the withdrawal is 0.001. Okay, just if you claim 3 of the manual faucet, you can for the manual faucet, just claim 4 of 4 minutes of the manual faucet. You will be instantly withdraw your amount, and daily you can earn this much 9 satoshi from here. Okay, 9 satoshi, this will be pay you daily. Okay, not too much. Just with the manual faucet you can claim your free 9 satoshi. Okay, the earning way is very easy. Just come down, solve this letter capture first. Okay, and then solve this letter capture. Okay, you can change your capture. You can change any capture you want. Okay, and just come down and just click get reward. Click your reward. Okay, you will be instantly receive your this much USD dollar. Okay, after 1 minute you can claim again. Okay, I claim 4 times, then I show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay guys, I claim 4 times, and just I go to my dashboard to show you I reach the minimum amount of the withdrawal. Okay, and I go back because this website show you some advertisement about that. Little bit easy working. Okay, I reaching the minimum amount, and I want to withdraw my this much dogecoin. Okay, I go to my Faucetpay and go to my dashboard, so and deposit and copy my dogecoin wallet address. This is my dogecoin wallet address. I copy it. You can double click or just click 1 time, you will be copy it. I can, and then just come here, paste it, and just click this one. Just click Faucetpay. Okay, just click withdraw. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Okay, the faucet that not have necessary funds. Okay, right now this website didn't have dogecoin. Okay, right now this website didn't have dogecoin, but this website pay you 100%. This is 100% free website. After 1 hour 2 hour I will be make a withdraw from here, and I share with you the picture of that withdrawal. Okay, The next way you can earn from here is the short links. Okay, if you visit the whole short links, you can earn this much USD and this much energy. Okay, energy, you know how to use energy. Just auto faucet is the first way to you can use energy. And the next one is a lottery ticket. PTC hats is available just one right now. After every day this will be available 10 PTC hats. So you can buy a lottery ticket. Every lottery ticket you can buy this much USD. Okay, and after 2 weeks and 5 days this will be rolling, and maybe you are winner or loser. Okay, you can be, this is all offer walls, you can be use offer walls. And the next way you can earn the achievements. Okay, achievements, you can earn much more achievements. Okay, this is daily claim, daily short links, faucet, short links and faucet, and buy 10 lottery ticket. This is all reward you can earn just from the achievements. Okay, this extra earning. Okay, and the next one is referral. You can refer your friends to come join this website, and you can earn your free cryptocurrency from here. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. All my videos is a free way earning websites. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.